Hello friends, welcome to Cook to Nourish. Today's recipe is that of Kerala mutton stew, which is made from goat or lamb meat. Now I like to use goat meat here, and this has a piece which has bones in it as well. That's 1.5 pounds of goat meat. And to that I add 1 medium sized onion thinly sliced and 2 small potatoes cubed. You could also replace it with white sweet potato, 1 medium carrot diced, a sprig of curry leaves, that is 8 to 10 fresh curry leaves, 4 green chillies slit lengthwise, and 1.5 tablespoon of ginger, fresh ginger, finely chopped. Next, some whole spices, 2 bay leaves, 4 whole cloves, 8 to 10 whole black peppercorns, and then 2 pieces of whole cinnamon stick, which is about 1 inch long. And then we just need about 1 teaspoon of salt. We add 1 cup of water. Now give the whole mixture a quick stir, just so that you get the salt mixed with the meat mainly, and that's about it. And we will just give it very loose stir, just to make sure all the spices, everything is evenly mixed, and then cover and make sure the valve is in the sealing position, and pressure cook it for 12 minutes. So I manually changed the pressure cooking time to 12. So yeah, that's it, that's 12 minutes. So we just leave it there. After the pressure cooking time is done, let the pressure release naturally, and then you open the pressure cooker. Now here, since we put all the vegetables like the potatoes and the carrots in there too at the same time, they're really tender at this point, so don't mix it very roughly. Just make sure to stir very gently, because the potatoes and carrots are really soft at this point, and see, the meat is tender too. And all we need to do is just add fresh coconut milk here. I like to use homemade coconut milk, 1.5 cups. You can also use canned, and if you're using canned, I prefer either Native Forest or Aroidi brand. And see, that's it, that's almost that's the recipe actually. And then finally we just add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil that's melted here, and then some more of the fresh curry leaves, as well as I also like to add some fresh cilantro chopped. You can add how much ever you like. I like to do about a handful of fresh cilantro leaves as well. It gives it a nice flavor. And that's it. The Kerala mutton stew is ready. This is great with any kind of bread and chapati or even rice. I like to eat it with my grain-free rotis or grain-free flat bread, like sweet potato flatbread. Hope you enjoy this recipe, and let me know in the comments how you like it. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to hit like as well as subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.